Hey everybody, welcome to my channel. I'm Ash the OT, and in today's video, I'm going to be showing you all how to make a sensory bottle. A sensory bottle provides a lot of visual input and can be used to help children with calming and regulation. So let's jump right into it. First, let's gather our supplies. You will need a clear bottle like the one pictured here. Now, I had a Voss bottle that was available to me already. Yours does not have to be a Voss brand bottle. Just use whatever you have access to as long as it is clear. Also, you will need water as pictured here inside of that bottle. You will also need some vegetable glycerin. You will also want to use some cool visual aids for the bottle, such as glitter, sequins, beads, confetti, and food coloring to add to the water and glycerin inside the bottle. First, let's start by filling your bottle halfway full with water. Then you want to add a few drops of food coloring. Make sure you're only adding just a few drops. You don't want it too dark where you can't see the other materials inside the bottle. Now for the fun part, let's add some glitter because glitter just makes everything that much better. If you're making this with children, definitely want to put something down around you because glitter can get everywhere. Next, I'm going to add in some sequins. Adding in a little confetti here. And to top it off, I'm going to add in some colorful beads as well. Next, you're going to want to put the lid back on the bottle and then make sure it's tightly secured and give it a shake just so you can even out the food coloring and some of the materials inside. Now you're going to want to add your vegetable glycerin. Now, the more glycerin you add, the slower your materials are going to move inside. It's going to give it kind of like that snow globe effect, where when you shake it up, the materials move very slowly inside. That's what makes it so calming and captivating. And for the final step, take the rest of the water and fill it to the top of the bottle. Put your lid back on and make sure it is secured very tightly. You might want to even add some extra tape on the outside if you're working with younger kids. Give it a nice shake, just like this, and voila, look what you have. You have just made your own sensory bottle. Look how pretty that is. I love all the colors and all the different materials inside. I swear I can watch this for hours. There you have it, guys. Make sure you subscribe and hit the notification bell for more DIY sensory videos. Till next time, bye.